Hello friends, today we are going to have some fun with Ajax. Ajax, we will specify what is Ajax. Ajax is not a framework, it is a technology in which extensible markup language XML is used, PHP is used, HTML is used. So with the help of Ajax, I will be extracting XML file with the help of Ajax with PHP of particular record from the XML file. So we will see what Ajax is used when you want to perform asynchronous communication. First of all, I will specify what is synchronous communication, what is asynchronous communication. In case of synchronous communication, you need to wait for the response from the web server when you request from web browser. But in case of asynchronous communication, don't have to wait. You watch cricket match on the internet and you refresh part of the web page to see the score. In that case, not the whole page is refreshed, only part of page is refreshed. Stock market is best example. You go on sending multiple requests at a time, you get response within fraction of second. So that was not possible in synchronous communication, and that was possible in Ajax with asynchronous communication. So right now we will see the program. Here scripting language is JavaScript, and since I am writing a scripting program, I need to specify script language is equal to JavaScript, where HTTP is equal to false means that I will be only having asynchronous communication, I will be not having synchronous communication. HTTP is equal to new XML HTTP. This is the JavaScript object which works in backend and which is very important to communicate with the web server, with the help of which asynchronous communication was possible. Now there is a function of JavaScript and it is having parameter str. HTTP is equal to dot abort function is used because whenever my request is completed, I need to delete that request and another request will come. If my request is served, then it is deleted. So that's why abort function is used. Then where str is equal to document get element by id, this function is used when you want to get data from HTML to JavaScript. That's why this function is used, document.get element by. Now HTTP open method is very important. This open method is used when you want to communicate from web browser to the web server. Here get function is used. Get function in the sense when you want to extract something from the server, you use get method, and when you want to send something to the web server, we use post method. Then this function will send the data from JavaScript to PHP to perform asynchronous communication, because that's why it is written here true, means it is the asynchronous communication. Now this is the PHP file. Now this HTTP on ready state is equal to function. This is a callback function. Callback function in the sense there are number of requests coming from you to the web server. So whichever request, some events will be handling on some events will be happened on your server, and your data will be sent from the server. So if you want to receive the data, in that case we use document.get element by id, then response text. If you want to receive the data in text format, you can use text. If you want to receive data in XML format, you can use response XML. Here HTTP send null is used because if you want, that means you can send multiple requests at a time. Then script tag is closed, then body tag is there, form tags, and now here combo box is taken, id str I have taken, here I have taken that get element by id, that's why I have taken here id str. On change is the function of JavaScript, and check function to pass the value from HTML to JavaScript. Now we will see the PHP part. Header, I will be dealing with XML. PG connect to the database. Get method, these are global array, is used because data sent by the open method is coming to this str, then it transfer to this str variable. Then this is a query fired to extract particular record from XML file. Then query has been executed, and PG fetch row index format value, and we will see the program now. Now Virat is the second record, whether it is, we will check. Yes, Virat is the second record. Now Kapil is the third record. Kapil is the third record. Now you might have observed I am not reloading the whole page. I am simply displaying the particular record of the XML file. So this file is not redirected to PHP, it is there in XML only, and that is what the speciality of Ajax. It gets the output from the web server without reloading the whole page, and that is why it is called dynamic web page. A dynamic web page is possible only with the Ajax. Okay, so we have seen how to extract particular record of XML file using Ajax, PHP, JavaScript and HTML. Okay, thank you.